Good morning, everyone. This is Catherine from my hillside garden. Can you see all the trails? This is in my front. I hope you could see them. There's all trails. I'm cleaning up out front. We have an unseasonably warm day today. It is, I think it's the 13th? 15th? I don't remember, to be honest. But this is what happens when voles are in your yard. Let me see if I can get a better picture. They've eaten all the roots of this hosta plant. So I'm gonna have to do something with this or I'm gonna lose the whole thing. There's a trail that goes all the way over here. And this is my coral bell plant. And if you look under there, they have quite the home. Let's hope nobody jumps out because I'll be screaming and running. But this is how bad the voles have gotten. This is my front yard. I don't usually bring you guys out here, but I didn't get to my full cleanup. And look at the damage they've done. I'm gonna have to do something with this plant as well. I don't want to lose it because it's in really good shape. Then I'm sure we dig along here. There's another path, and they've just about decimated another hosta plant. Look at that. Look at all the damage they did. And it's only January and it hasn't been that cold, really. I don't know if that's good or bad. Part of it was I didn't get it cleaned up. But that's what voles can do in your garden. And it looks like it's going to be all the way through my front landscaping. There's another. You can see the trench right there that they've dug. They haven't quite gotten under this one yet. So this is why voles can be so destructive. Not only do I have the problem in the back, in the vegetable garden, but now they've really become a problem here in the front. And I hate to say it, but I believe the main reason for this is that there are no stray cats right now in my neighborhood, because we have never had this problem until the past couple years with no stray cats. Very disappointed. Look at how they ate that. Came right up through there. And they even ate the tops. So it's not just the roots. So if anyone has any suggestions, I don't like to put poison out. I don't think that's right, because if the varmints eat it and then owls eat it, the owls get sick or they die. Or if the varmints eat it and the cat eats it, then the cat dies. So if anyone has any suggestions, besides telling me I need to clean up my front landscaping, I'd appreciate knowing in the comments below. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, happy gardening.